Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Arteon 2.0 TDI R-Line Fastback DSG, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Urano Grey. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch Montevideo style alloy wheels with a dark grey finish, really complementing the Urano Grey exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot lid, you can find you've got an electronic boot, and once open you can find you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the leather and suede upholstery finished in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Travelling through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options and your adaptive cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Moving to your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 30,332 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. App Connect, which supports Android Auto and Apple Carplay, allowing you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And for manoeuvring around, you have front and rear parking sensors, making reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or the passenger. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.